Howdy, folks. Tonight I've got some baseball cards, which I don't do too terribly often. But it's opening week, and I figured if there was ever a time to open a box of baseball cards, it's now. And went down to my store, and lucky enough, they were having a deal. So with the amount I spent, I actually got this box here for free. But I've got a mosaic box here. That's 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Then I've got 2 of the Bowman Platinum. Those are, I'm not sure what the card count is on those. I didn't really look. And then I think it's 4 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Oh, 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Okay. And it says the cards with the special inserts may only include 1 to 3 cards. So we'll see. And then these are the ones I had never heard of, actually. It's called The Art of Collecting. And there's some really crazy pull rates with these. Like, you look at it and you're guaranteed basically a printer-proof card, 4 of them per pack, because they're 1 out of 2. I don't know if you can read that, but 1 out of 2 are the odds. But then you look up. I mean, look at these. This is the odd of the Next Wave red insert. 1 out of 83,000 packs. So, kind of cool. I am on a bit of a time crunch right now, so I am going to just open, start with some Bowman here, because it's 4 cards per pack. And then if we get, if I'm pulling at a good clip or whatever's going on, I will see where I'm at and either continue recording or not. And I just realized I don't have anything sharp with me. No problem. I'm just gonna tear into it. And by the way, you might be thinking, oh, he's doing, almost knocked the camera over. You might be thinking, oh, he's doing baseball cards, he must be watching baseball. Not actually. The playoff push for the hockey is in full swing. And then I've got my girls on TV here, the women's national team. I just turned my light off. There we go. Not too bad. Really would like to not have that camera light in the shot, but we're not going to worry about it too much at this point. We love good packaging. Alright, so let's take them on out. Leave that here so we remember what we're opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Ooh, and some of these do feel light, so maybe we got some good inserts here before we go. We always take a drink for good luck. We got our raspberry cranberry LaCroix tonight. Alright. Let's see if baseball cards are going to give me a little bit more luck than we've been seeing with some of these hockey cards. Really trying not to bend the cards here. A plus for packaging now. It's really giving me trouble. Alright. I mean, starting out with a Mike Trout, you really can't go wrong with that. It's a nice looking card. Nice rainbow holographic on it. I don't know if that's the insert or what. I would assume it's later. Yeah, so we've just got the Platinum Batting Moment, just card 61. So already, and Paul Goldschmidt there on the end, but already a nice pull here. Ronnie Mauricio. This is a rookie card, I believe. It says, scouts identify Mauricio's future powers, plus, as the Mets wait for him to fill out his home runs to follow, they've been impressed with the proficiency the Dominican shortstop has shown with the glove. Ronnie flashes range to either side, a quick transfer, and a strong, accurate arm. That's a nice looking card. So they all have that rainbow foil on them, which is cool. I mean, I like, as I said with the when I opened the Mosaic football cards, I was pleasantly surprised with the fact that all of them are holographic. That was cool. Alright. I'll take these ones behind the camera just to get them open so I can see the opening, but still, you're going to see these cards as I see them. But it looks like I'm going to be doing a 1 to the front. Alright, so here's a rookie card. Lewin Diaz. Javier Baez just traded to the Tigers. Picked up by the Tigers in free agency. Maximo Acosta. And on the end, Jose Salas. That's a really cool holographic too. Looks like a golf ball. So this is another prospect card. That's funny. They give you a card and they say no stats available. That's interesting. Raised among a family of professional Venezuelan baseball players, Salas boasts an enticing meld of power and speed to go with an innate feel for the game. MLB.com rates him as the number 19 prospect on the Marlins chain as he prepares for a 2021 pro debut. Again, that's a cool looking card. So these are the 2021 cards. The reason I'm saying this is because I just said a 2021 debut. So these are the 2021 cards that they release prior to the season. So you're not going to see any Tigers rookies, or maybe you will, prospected like this card, but no playing. So two good pulls. You like getting the young guys because it gives you potential there. And I just said I was going to do this behind the camera because it's a lot easier. Rookie cards and young guys are always the cards you really want to pull unless it's something crazy rare. JD Martinez. Shane Bieber. Adinso Reyes, a Tiger that I've never heard of. Oh, and a numbered Rainbow Paul Goldschmidt of 199. That is the first numbered pull on this channel, and I had to remind myself there that it's an ASMR channel, and I'm trying to keep my voice down. But a numbered pull for the first time in channel history out of 199. Wow. What a cool pull there. Looks like the pink holographic. I'm going to look at the back of this box and see real quick if we can find that pull rate for pink. Pink. 1 of 206. And it's sequentially numbered. Yeah. Wow. 1 out of 206 packs. So a great pull there. That's really cool. Let's see if we can keep that going. That'd be great to pull another one of those. Or something even higher numbered. Oh, there we go. This one opened really nice from the bottom. Alright, Aaron Judge. Great player. Robbed of a MVP season by Altuve, if you ask me, but try not to get too controversial. Jacob deGrom. I think he's hurt already this year, which is really a shame, as he was ready to come out and just continue where he left off, but I believe hurt again. So, and Burl Caraway. That on the end. Fernando Tatis Jr. with that same golf ball foil. That's really cool. I want to see if I can find the name of that holographic here. Wow. Because if it's one of the rare ones, I should probably hard shell this. But if it's not, we'll put it in the soft for now. This might be the aqua that it's talking about, because it kind of looks like water. But a great pull there. Big fan. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Oh, the aqua ice. Oh, this might just be the ice pattern. Yeah, because it's not sequentially numbered, so 1 out of 4 packs. Okay, so we're good. We're going to leave that one in the soft case. I'm still buzzing from that Paul Goldschmidt pull, and then I look up and the women's national team has just put in their 8th goal against Uzbekistan. Alright, let's see what we can do here. One to the front. Ke'Bryan Hayes, great player. Christian Yelich, another great player. Nick Lofton, and on the end, hey, there we go, a renowned rookies, Ke'Bryan Hayes. This is a Ke'Bryan rookie card too. That's an awesome. On September 1st, 2020, Hayes became the first Pirate player to go into extra base hits in his show debut since Walter Mueller in 1922. Ke'Bryan's home run double a day ignited a magical month for the rookie outfielder, who went 32 for 85. Wow. With 5 bombs in 24 games. At one point in his last 3 contests, Hayes hit safely in 8 straight at-bats. Yeah, he's a talented player, and that's a really nice rookie card to have. I think this is a pretty basic foil, as I would assume the rainbow foil is all the same, but a great rookie card to have. Big fan. Okay, these cards are so far I'm liking these baseball cards. Maybe I should have been started with this. Alright, one to the front. Evan White, rookie card. Alex Kirilloff, rookie card. Bryce Jarvis. And another ice foil, Simon Muzziotti. Cool. Most of the knowledge I have of baseball comes from watching the Tigers play and then playing the show with my brother. So we've really been digging that co-op league that they have now. So, but another nice foil pull. 2 packs to go. Might be able to crack into another box here. We'll just go a little faster with that other box. Some nice crinkly packs too. Alright. Blake Snell. Kohei Arihara. Rookie card. Bobby Miller. And on the end, a meteoric Luis Campusano. Campusano requires fewer than 1,000 appearances on the farms before the Padres consider him ready to join them. In his debut September 4, 2020, he built an opposite field home run, scored twice. Luis also has an agile backstop with superlative arm that makes a complete prospect. That's really cool. That is another rookie card, which, you know me, loving rookie cards. See if we can get a pull rate on the meteoric real quick. So the Renowned Rookies was 1 of 8, and the Meteoric is 1 of 8. So you should expect 1 of each of those in both of these boxes. That's basically what it's saying. Oh my goodness, that's another goal by the U.S. 9-0. A minute plus stoppage time to go. Okay. Tristan McKenzie, rookie card. This is a guy who almost threw a no-hitter against the Tigers. Juan Soto. Pete Crow Armstrong. And the last insert of this pack. Another ice foil. Nate Pearson, rookie card. Cool, cool, cool. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So an interesting thing that I learned about these Panini, or the Mosaic Panini cards, is that when I was buying them, I was asking the guy about some questions about them, and he told me it's interesting because the Mosaic cards are awesome to look at. They're just absolutely beautiful cards. They're all holographic. The inserts are really nice and blah blah blah. And then he tells me the Mosaics are not an officially licensed MLB product. So I thought that was fairly interesting. I had no idea that you could make cards without having an officially licensed product. I'm just going to pull 2 out of there and we'll open those. And then we'll try and get this Mosaic open, and we'll open those until we're done here. But yeah, so basically these are not licensed MLB products. So I'm interested to see how they get around that. As you can see on the front, the team logos, there are no team logos. So I think they have to edit them off all the cards. So it's going to be really interesting to see these, but there they are. So let's try these. Let's just look at these real quick. 2 packs of the Topps Gallery Art of Collecting. And I think some of these cards are like hand drawn, but those are hard to pull and everything. So don't know the pull rates, so. Wow, Derek Jeter. Okay, so these are like everybody. That's cool. Derek Jeter. Alright, I'm happy with that. Is that a next wave Alec Bohm rookie card? Wow. Bohm brings a total package to the batter's box using a selective approach to find his pitch and then swift swing, tag it. His exit velocity is impressed from foul line, making him so Alec owns definitive over the fence power but doesn't sell out to get it. Okay, well that is nice. Alex Bregman, my bad. And Jackie Robinson. Cool. Okay. So you can kind of dig what this set is doing. It's a little bit, I don't know how to say cleaner. You know, the holographic stuff can be a little shiny in the light. These are a little more matte. But a nice, cool looking pull from that. I'm gonna just see real quick if that has a pull rate that I can find real quick. Next wave, 1 of 15. Okay. Cool. Let me know if you guys like seeing the pull rates, if you like me checking that. I find it kind of interesting because it gives an idea of, you know, the rarity of what we just pulled. And really how excited we should get. So that was a 2 to the front, if I'm not mistaken. So let's try that. Okay. So that's how we do these packs. Ha-Sung Kim, printer proof? What does that mean? I don't really know what that means. So we're gonna sleeve it. The box does say, I think it says you should get 4 printer proofs per box. Yeah. So they can't be that rare, but still, cool. And that's a rookie card for him too. And the other card, Ken Griffey Jr. So I don't really know how these packs are set up, but this looks like the good pull from that pack. So if those printer proofs are box exclusives, they're a little bit more rare, but who knows really how rare, if you get 4 in a box, how rare they really are. One or two. So, you know what? I'm just going to keep going with these because I felt like we had a good thing going. So, and I might not be able to get through these, and I apologize if I can't. We're going to try 1 to the front. And maybe that'll work. So let's go 1 to the front. How about that? Deion Sanders. That's fun. 2 sport athlete. Byron Buxton. Andrew Vaughn. So it looks like 1 to the front. And a Rainbow Hollow Ozzie Albies. Great looking card here. Love that frame on these cards. That's really nice. So, cool. I like the frame on them. It makes them look, I don't know, a little bit more like regal, I guess is the right word. Do you want to say that they're regal looking, or they look more expensive? They look like art. I'm liking these cards. I'm digging them. I'm, fine with my store giving them away for free. I'll take them all day. We got a Yerman Mercedes rookie card. A Bryce Harper. There's our printer proof Garrett Cole. And Ketel Marte. So printer proofs aren't rare, they're just kind of fun, so I'm gonna try and get these 3 packs done real quick, and we will end the video there. I hope you're finding these relaxing. I appreciate all the viewership. Likes help me go a long way, so if you could like a video if you're really into it, I would appreciate it. If not, also totally fine, so I just enjoy opening cards. Rhys Hoskins, Brady Singer rookie card, yes, rookie card. Alright, an Isaac Paredes rookie card, rainbow foil, and a Rafael Devers printer proof. So pulling 2 from that box, or from that pack, that's nice. I mean, I'm a big fan of always pulling Tigers, but if I'm not mistaken, I think Isaac Paredes was just part of a trade. I don't remember who the Tigers got, but I believe he is now out of Detroit. Could be totally wrong. Could be somebody else. Alright, 2 packs to go. Okay. One to the front. Jose Devers rookie card. Nolan Arenado. Alec Bohm, the normal. Rookie card still. And a Babe Ruth MLB Originals. So you can see they make it look like a worn card. Ruth had the physique of a slow pitch softball player, but a giant size. Combined with his unprecedented power, made him a media phenomenon and a huge draw at the gate. In addition to iconic nicknames, he also was called the Mammoth of Maul, the Mauling Mastodon, and the Terrible Titan. So, I mean, I'm always in for historic inserts, cards like that, as long as they, I don't mind ones that are for a date or time, but I prefer the ones that are for players. That's a cool one. So last pack today. Let's see what we can pull. Some last pack magic. Take a drink for some luck. Alright. Let's see what we can do. One to the front. Tyler Glasnow. Trey Turner. Taylor Trammell rookie card. And on the end, our printer proof Nolan Ryan. So historic printer proof there. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, I want to thank you all for watching this video. As you can see, I've got plenty more packs to open, but big ups as we opened our first numbered card on the channel. Awesome, awesome. As I said, I appreciate you watching the videos. I'm going to keep trying to post and maybe start posting some new stuff like playoff outlooks or something. But yeah, again, thanks so much for watching, and have a great night.